Viki exclusive ne Wonderboy UG is the YouTube channels who are subscribing our latest information and latest update. We are proudly sponsored by Baron and Sons basangi bachireka batunda obuma bwemberenge obumu obukuba ebinyebwa n'ebirala, and well designed by first grade collections basangibwa kuleka nao kusarama road. Angella, ogamba otya
Jendi
Oluganda kuno lutugenda okukozesa
njagezaako it's fine.
Obulamu obusanze otya
bwe buli.
Tutandikire ku project empya ey'omugenzi Pastor Yiga. Ojja otya okusinkana Pastor Yiga?
Pastor Yiga mbadde promoting atonerabira netukola ki nengenda ku TV ABS TV nansanga awo nangamba badde banange eddoboozi lyo njagala nnyo ate nina oluyimba gye nawandise but nagiwandise according to Brenda Fassi $mi ate nkimanyi nti mu Uganda gwe olina ddoboozi olina power ey'aba South Africans gwe olina okuyimba oluyimba olwo like that.
Basically nti eddoboozi lyo lyali anoonya to sing that song.
Yes, that's it.
After wakkiriza okukola oluyimba.
Then yantwala ku lunch at Serena netutula wansi netukkiriza sente zagenda kusasula for the audio, for the video, byonna.
Nga ye yali alina okuteekamu sente.
Omugenzi kubanga ye yabadde ayagala oluyimba lwe okitegeera mbadde nkola ebyange. So ye yabadde alina okusasula ate yabadde akimanyi.
Mu kaseera we yafiira yali amaze okusasula oluyimba luno ng'omaze odurecordinga oba you have just recorded the song after omugenzi okugenda?
That what?
That before. Did you record this song before? Or
before he passed?
Yeah, before he passed.
Yeah, of course. Even the video tulabanga tuli mu studio nga tu recording in the video of this boy. So tulabanga nze ne Pastor Yiga tuli mu studio nga tujikola ki?
More sound like muteeka maloboozi.
Yeah.
Kai gwe ne Daddy Andre mwakoze akayimba Angella. What does it mean?
I don't know who broke this rumor, but
it's not a rumor. Reality. It's a reality.
Kati kale buuza. Ntino ki?
Wakoze akayimba ne Daddy Andre. Kituufu oba nedda?
Akayimba tonerabira?
Not tonerabira. You have a brand new and a hot song.
Yes, kituufu.
What's the title of that song?
Nze wendi.
Gwe woli. Go wayimbye chorus eyo oba ye?
Fembi, it's a duet.
It's a duet. Mpaamu katini nnyo.
Sigimanyi properly. Sinagiyigiriza bulungi.
It means gwe wendi. You're there for him. It means nti relationship ya mwababiri yakomyewo ne Daddy Andre.
Yagiwandika so yanotubulira.
Anti Daddy Andre bw'obanga wakkiriza otule mu luyimba. It means nti gwe wabaddewo. As
it means wabaddewo all along.
Oba should we say that you were waiting for him?
I don't know. Ze chemanyi. Ebintu byatabuka omanyi mu mikwano bintu bibiza okutabuka byatabuka and we went our separate ways, but sanyusiza when he wrote that song na contacting Ocean Media International ne Cedric Singles on the CEO of Black Market Records. Now we got meeting on Mpandi. So Noluyimba for me and Angella. You get an idea? Then the bambulira, and I was happy. Kubanga it meant his actions showed that he's sorry. So kata wange yambuli yatuyiriza. If somebody says they are sorry, finished. It ends there, and you forgive. So I forgive.
Angella. Kakodiochi, mwapanga bupanzi gwe ne Daddy Andre okuleta Nina Rose tukitekewo nti they are lovers. Eh?
No, why would you say that?
Nanti kati bw'obanga oluyimba lw'oleese lulaga nti gwoli. It means nti Nina Rose mulinga mmwe ababiri abamuletawo as a stunt.
Oh my God! No, it wasn't a stunt.
If it wasn't a stunt, kiki gwe nga gwe olina kyewakoze Nina Rose atuuka okuleka Daddy Andre kamulekere Angella Katatumba. Olina kyewakoze. You did anything to Nina Rose? To Nina Rose because he left Daddy Andre for you.
No, I mean, Amani, in relationships, they know, babe, Amani.
It wasn't your plan.
No.
Because omuntu watuuka okumulekera.
No. For me,
okay.
I wasn't happy. Never. So maybe byabaddewo. So just recently, Daddy Andre nagamba awandise Noluyimba for Angella and for him. So for me, Chechindaga, he's saying sorry. Nange chechankwata ku mutima kubanga omuntu wagamba sorry okiriza.
Oluvannyuma lw'oku breaking up ne Daddy Andre, wasigala omulowoozaako mu mutima gwo omwagala baneda.
I moved on. I'm even dating someone else.
Yeah.
So,
but these days, after making this brand new hit, because it's gonna come a hit, you know. So, relationship here, taking the put down already as the order. Okay.
No comment.
No, why? You have to comment.
Until now, commenting on things you're sure.
Okay. The question
so for now, no comment kubanga. Just to get mpola tulaba.
Okay, let me ask you this question straight up. Do you still love Daddy Andre?
No comment.
I would like you to comment. I would like you to comment, Angella. Do you still love Daddy Andre?
No comment. Tujja kulaba actions. So far, atandise
Noluyimba.
So that's the first action. Okitegera. Olina kulaba actions ze. Atandise Noluyimba. I'm happy. Nsanyusiza.
Olukusanyusiza. Like you're happy.
I'm happy. So katulabe actions endala.
But already the action that you are showing to us, kiraga nti already you went back.
No comment.
Eh? Even the way how you react to that question, it shows, Angella. It shows that you. Eh?
No comment.
No comment. Okay, Angella. Sibulaba abadde bakulaba.
Banange mbasiibula mwebale nnyo. Mwebale kujja ku Hotel Diplomat. Njagala bagende ku YouTube channel yange bawulize This Boy featuring Pastor Yiga. And they look out for Nzewendi.
Okay, you go only for.
Oh, to take it out
You're
with Daddy Andre. So mugende ku YouTube channel yange musubscribing.
Why kunyirira Angella?
Amen.
Looking beautiful.
Are you sure?
Very.
Thank
Okay.
you.
One question I wanted to ask you before I leave. I want you to tell us more about copyright here in Uganda and there abroad. What's the difference in the Ugandan industry?
Copyright, money of course abroad they are more organized. Laws are already set in place. In Uganda, tucha wandika laws. We're not there yet. UPRS. There's still so much confusion. We are trying, but we're not there yet. Abroad, they have been established. So both their copyright laws are set, and artists are benefiting from them. Here, we are just beginning to benefit, and still there's a lot of unclearness because we're not yet ready 100%. But we are trying, and we are moving forward.
Here in Uganda, muyimbi ki gweyagala okukolako naye collabo nga si Daddy Andre? Apart from Daddy Andre.
No, nze ne collabo, I'm very open and I'm very easy. Okitegeera bw'owulira oyagala kukola na Angella nze ndi easy. Okitegeera sina tabu because I believe it's an honor to want to work with me. It's an honor okusasula kukola nga omuntu okuteekako sente for video, for audio, for promotion, just kukola ne Angella Katatumba, so I lose nothing.
Most of them, they need to work with you, but you as a person, whom would you like to work with?
For me,
apart from Andre,
I would like Diamond Platinums.
Here in Uganda, Platinum.
Hey, Uganda!
Yeah, you only here.
Uganda, anyone.
Not anyone, you just mentioned only one artist.
Me, don't say all of them.
Okay, thank you so much. Mwebana, the viewers, Wonder Boy, Nekuvike exclusive. We are proudly sponsored by Varon and Sons Basangwachile Kakamon Road. Of course, and Banafe, Avanyambaza, Bevaitava, where? Okay, first grade corrections. Abasangi Wakulekana, off Sarama Road. Thank you so much, Miss Saina.